In this video, we will discuss how to make a covariance table. So to do this example, I am going to gather data from data.538.com, and I'm just going to download these Club Soccer predictions and open up the zip file. And let's just look at the global. Let's do matches. So now what I'm going to do, given this data here, is let's just test a covariance of some sort. So not necessarily knowing exactly what the data is doing here. But we've got all these different spies and probabilities, scores, etc. So I'm going to just focus on this data here because it looks like it's all complete. And this is based off of looking at these various teams and leagues here. So in order to do a covariance table, I'm just going to highlight this real quick, and then we'll go to data analysis. If that is not available to you, you can go to File, Options, Add-ins, Go, and then check the Analysis Tool Pack. So Data Analysis, and I'm going to click on Covariance, and then my inputs will be these in the columns. Labels are in the first row, and I'm just going to do a new worksheet. Click OK. And I'll now zoom in here, and you can see these covariances here. If you want to use this for other functions or things that you built in, we need to put in this data here that I've just highlighted that are blank. So in order to do that, what you can do is highlight the table, copy, and then below this, I'm going to paste special, transpose, click OK, copy this again, and then here, paste special, skip blanks, click OK, and then now all the data are in there for you, and then you can go back in and clean up the editing or whatever you want to do